Two-row crossovers like the Nissan Rogue get a lot of love here in America, but for some reason, crossovers like this, the Murano, do not. Entries in this two-row midsize segment have struggled to find their footing over the years, but the Nissan Murano is still here and ready to prove that it's got something enticing to offer that the compacts don't. Now, the outgoing Murano was getting a little long in the tooth, but that's okay because it was roughly 10 years old as of this filming, but this new design is well worth the wait, and it actually has a lot of Infinity styling cues, especially right here in the back. If you or a loved one have caught yourself saying that you really like the Aria but just wish it weren't electric, then the new Murano will definitely please you with its very Aria-like design. It was penned by the same designer as that car, but as you'll notice, it is about 10 inches longer than the Aria, so it doesn't have quite as much of a bubbly shape as that car, but there are definitely some common themes. Overall length has grown by 1/10 of an inch, but because this is riding on a modified version of the outgoing platform, the wheelbase is the same at 111.2 inches. Compared to a Rogue, this has about 1.3 cubic feet of extra cargo space behind the second row, but a whopping 10.6 cubic feet less when you fold that seat down. On the safety side, Nissan has pretty much made every feature standard, though if you want the more advanced ProPilot Assist 1.1 adaptive cruise, you will need to step up from the base S trim. No, Nissan's hands-free ProPilot Assist 2.1 is not available at launch, but we should be seeing it in the coming years. Brownie points to the Rogue though, because it has this feature for 2025. This interior is also very reminiscent of that Aria and the new Nissan Kicks with the dual 12.3-inch displays here, which are standard on this model. But of those three models, this is the only one to get Nissan's new infotainment system with Google built in, available on the top two trim levels. One sort of unique safety feature you'll find up front on Platinum models is a center-mounted airbag that should help prevent you from cracking skulls with your passenger in an accident. The invisible hood view from the Armada is also available. Under this hood, no longer will you find a 3.5-liter V6. Instead, it is the company's variable compression 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It makes 241 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive is standard on every trim but the base model, which is available with front-wheel drive. And thank you, there is a 9-speed automatic instead of the CVT. So at the top of this video, I said that the Murano was back on a mission to prove that it's worth being in the two-row crossover segment amongst things like Nissan's own Rogue. But after this first look, I am still left wondering, will the added power, the traditional transmission, the premium interior, and the more emotional styling be enough to do that? You'll just have to wait and find out when we get the car on the road later this year, or hopefully early next year when the car goes on sale for a base price that will, let's be honest, probably be more than the current car's $39,000.